Hello children, welcome back. This is Maushami Chakravarti and today I will be discussing with you on chapter number 6 staffing part 4 on the topic external recruitment. If you have not watched my previous videos, watch it carefully. Some of the external sources of recruitment include direct employment or recruitment at factory gate, casual callers, advertisement, employment exchange, placement agencies and management consultants, that is headhunters. It may also include campus recruitment, recommendation, labor contractors, TV advertising or telecasting, web publishing or internet recruitment. The important merits of external sources are an organization can achieve qualified personnel with a fresh talent and skill. Wider scope. An organization gets a wider scope because they can choose from the various candidates and select the best one from them. Fresh talent. The importance of fresh talent can be achieved by the medium of external recruitment where people with innovative skills can enter into an organization and give benefit to the enterprise. Competitive spirit. The people working within the organization as well as the new person entering into the organization enroll a competitive spirit among themselves, which in turn results for the betterment of an organization. Demerits of external recruitment, that is dissatisfaction among the existing staff because the existing staff don't get the chances of prospering in future, that is by the medium of promotions, etc. It is a lengthy process because it requires selection, recruiting and then choosing the best candidate. It is obviously a costly process because some amount is spent on the medium of recruiting people from outside the organization. Uncertain response because the organization is not sure about the appropriate response to be received back after the external sources of recruitment are released from the organization. Comparison of internal and external recruitment. Internal recruitment means searching candidate within the organization. It takes less time to recruit. It is a cheaper process which does not involve any cost. The existing staff gets motivated and improve their performance. The choices of the candidates are limited and the scope of fresh talent is diminished. On the other hand, when we talk about external recruitment, they involve finding candidates from outside the organization. They take very long time to recruit from the external sources. This process is costly as vacancies have to be notified in newspaper, etc. The existing staff feels dissatisfied if external sources are used. The business can hope for talented candidate from outside, which means infusion of new blood and new ideas into the enterprise. The next videos will be continued in my next presentation. Thank you. Have a nice day.